Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look at the cryptocurrencies this time. So actually the Bitcoin situation is the part of the same puzzle that we see on the gold market, on the euro currency. So recent rally on the Bitcoin actually completes the trading plan that we discussed last time on Monday. As we said that the pullback at least to the 43 area should happen, just because on the daily chart we've got the clear brand body setup, or let's call it as a momentum trade anyway. That was a combination of the confidence support and the daily oversold, which suggests the bounce. And actually this retracement has happened. But now, whether this retracement was due to the Fed comments or just because of weakness of the United States dollar for the Bitcoin, it's not really, doesn't matter. So the fact that we've got the upward action. And currently the major question is, so the action that we've got yesterday, is it continuation of the major tendency, which stands the same on the gold market, on the euro currency, or this is just minor retracement of the downward action and we could get the deeper downside action across the board on Bitcoin as well. So it depends on how market treat this reaction that has happened on the recent statement from the Fed, whether it's short-term or it will have some stability and could become the triggering point, some driving factor, the catalysis of the possible upward continuation. That's the major question that we have to answer. So on a longer term charts, which we have on a monthly, weekly, I do not see really big shifts. So our market still stands in the same area around 42, 43, which is a 50% fib level on the Bitcoin. Here is the minor changes. On the same on the weekly chart, market still stands inside of the November candle. So, sorry, on this previous week and in November as well. So on this previous week, and actually also we do not see really some breakout of this range, so no significant upward continuation. On the weekly chart we already talked about this, that we have great thrust, and in the case of the deeper retracements, obviously we could start searching for brand body trade or something, because this thrust as a background could generate a lot of useful trading setups, because momentum is one of the important things on the markets. So meantime, while on a weekly and a monthly chart we're still waiting and see what will happen, on the daily chart our brand body trade worked perfectly. So you could see this area. Recall what we said on Monday, keep an eye on the Gartley's 222 pattern on the lower time frames on the hourly chart, follow time frame chart, because very often in these points markets are forming 222s. So if you'll take a look at the intraday charts, I will show a bit later, you will see that market has formed a bit skewed hand and shoulders pattern before the upward action has started. So we said that you could consider taking the long position with the possible retracement at least to the 43, which is actually was the minimum target of the brand bottom. So everything has worked just perfect here. Now on the daily chart, I do not see really big things to do. Trend stands bearish, market stands far from the MACD. So if on the euro currency, on the gold, we still could keep watching for the grubbers. On the Bitcoin, these chances are absent right now. So on the daily chart, I do not see big things to consider. The only thing on the intraday charts, so here on the follow time frame chart, also nothing interesting. I would say that if for the Bitcoin, it's a major question with this consolidation that we have. While the other market stands on important resistance levels, that could give the clarity on what to expect. On the Bitcoin, major topic is the consolidation. If market will be able to just break it up and return back in the consolidation, moving higher, that will be the first, let's call it as a challenge for possible upward continuation. This will be bullish sign. If market will fail to do this, return back on this consolidation or just floating around it, then drop down, that will be bearish, or at least it keeps chances for a possible two leg downside retracement. So for the Bitcoin, this seems important. In a very short term, meantime, for today and tomorrow until the end of the week, I would consider just minor scenario on the fall time frame chart. That's our hand and shoulders, and I'm speaking about. Here's, by the way, guys, Gartner's T-pull to sell has been buy has been formed. So this upper direction is ABCD retracement. Anyway, we have this ABCD pattern, and XOP stands just few cents above market. In the nearest few sessions, I suggest that Bitcoin could try to finalize this target, and it's very probably it might happen in the way of this minor butterflies. 127 extension stands precisely the XOP. So this is the only short-term intraday scenario that we could consider today, tomorrow. The target around 43.70, 43.75, so somewhere in this area. And then we need to see what will happen. Once the XOP will be completed, let's see what will happen. So either market will keep going higher, this will be bullish sign. If it fails, start forming head and shoulders here to the downside or something, that keeps chances for the bears. That might be the second downside action. So that's been said, in all three markets that we usually discuss, in euro currency, in the gold market, Bitcoin, we're mostly watching for the same scenario, what will happen in the current points, because current points is some kind of the edge and separate line between bearish and bullish context. Upper breakout means turning to the bullish context. Holding there, start dropping, means that the bearish context still remains valid, at least for some time. So that's our view currently on Bitcoin market.